Welcome to Trip into Trivia, the ultimate challenge for curious minds. Are you ready to explore the world one question at a time? Each episode, we uncover the wonders of a new country, testing your knowledge with 50 engaging trivia questions exploring history, culture, food, and more. Today, we're headed to Sri Lanka. So get ready to unlock fascinating facts, expand your global knowledge, and of course, have some fun. Let's get started. What is the capital of Sri Lanka? Sri Jarawardhanpura Kate. What ocean surrounds Sri Lanka? Indian Ocean. What is the national language of Sri Lanka? Sinhala and Tamil. What currency is used in Sri Lanka? Sri Lankan rupee. What is the national sport of Sri Lanka? Volleyball. Which sport is Sri Lanka most famous for internationally? Cricket. What is Sri Lanka's nickname due to its shape? The teardrop of India. What is the main religion in Sri Lanka? Buddhism. Which ethnic groups are the largest in Sri Lanka? Sinhalese and Tamils. What is the largest mountain in Sri Lanka? Pijarathalagala. What is the longest river in Sri Lanka? Maaweli River. What is the largest city in Sri Lanka? Colombo. What ancient city in Sri Lanka is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with many ruins? Anuradhapura. What is a sacred city known for the temples of the tooth? Kandy. Which UNESCO World Heritage Fortress is built on a massive rock? Sigiriya. Which aromatic bark from Sri Lanka is prized around the world for its sweet, warm flavor in teas and dessert? Ceylon cinnamon. What is the national flower of Sri Lanka? Blue water lily. What is the national bird of Sri Lanka? Jungle fowl. What is a staple food of Sri Lankans? Rice and curry. What leaf is used to make Sri Lanka's world-famous tea? Camellia sinensis. What is one of Sri Lanka's biggest tea-producing regions? Nuwara Eliya. What port city was a major center for spice trade? Gale. What type of gemstone is Sri Lanka especially famous for? Sapphires. What is a Sri Lankan traditional garment for women? Sari. What is a Sri Lankan traditional garment for men? Sarong. What sea separates Sri Lanka from India? Palk Strait. What is the name of the narrow chain of islands and reefs between India and Sri Lanka? Adams Bridge. What is the most popular religion among the Tamil people of Sri Lanka? Hinduism. What Sri Lankan city is known for Dutch colonial architecture and a fort? Gale. What endangered animal is found in Sri Lanka's national parks? Sri Lankan elephant. What is the largest national park in Sri Lanka? Yala National Park. What is the official airline of Sri Lanka? Sri Lankan Airlines. What Sri Lankan harbor is one of the world's deepest natural harbors? Trincomalee. What is the national anthem of Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka Mata. Who was the first Prime Minister of Sri Lanka? D.S. Sinharaja. When did Sri Lanka gain independence from Britain? 1948. What was Sri Lanka formerly called until 1972? Ceylon. What type of climate does Sri Lanka mostly have? Tropical. Which ancient city in Sri Lanka is renowned for its rock-cut Buddhist caves? Minneriya. What is depicted on the lion in the Sri Lankan flag? A sword. What is the main international airport in Sri Lanka? Minneriya International Airport. Which Sri Lankan town is known as the Gem City for its sapphire and ruby markets? Ratnapura. Which bay on the east coast of Sri Lanka is world famous for surfing? Arugam Bay. What is the name of the wildlife sanctuary where you can spot leopards in Sri Lanka? Wilpattu National Park. What is the name of the train route celebrated for its scenic tea country views? Kandy train ride. What is the name of the whale species frequently spotted off the coast of Minneriya, Sri Lanka? Blue whale. What is the Sri Lankan flag commonly known as? The lion flag. What is the highest waterfall in Sri Lanka located in the Badala district? Bambarakanda Falls. Which mountain in Sri Lanka is considered sacred by Buddhists, Hindus, Christians, and Muslims alike? Adams Peak. What is the southernmost point of Sri Lanka, known for its lighthouse and ocean views? Dondra Head. That's a wrap on this trivia adventure. Did you conquer the challenge? Whether you got every question right or discovered something new, we're thrilled to have you on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Trip into Trivia. Drop a comment and let us know. Which question stumped you the most? What country should we explore next? Stay tuned.